Welcome to This Week in the Boatyard. This week we will install my radar arch, paint the boot stripe, paint the bottom, and buff and wax the hull. Be sure to hang around at the end of this video for 3 bonus tips to buffing and waxing your hull. And I'll also let you know what my favorite products are to get the job done. Saturday morning started with some ominous weather moving in. It was blowing 20 plus knots and some dark black clouds moving overhead.
This is a video of the arch in my shop, because if I leave it outside, somebody might take it away. So we bubble wrapped it to protect. We're installing an Atlantic arch. And we have it on a forklift to establish the height and the this way. Gotta go to you.
I think you cut them wrong.
Hold it. Am I at the tip of the board? Yeah. Okay. Yep. Are we at that end of the pallet? Yeah. Okay. So let's strap it up.
About this gap here between the last pallet?
I know. We have pre-drilled our hole, and then we're tapping a 1/4 National Course tap into the foot. 2 set screws per foot. Kill it. Set screws have a countersunk head. We're going to use a rosebud to recess the aluminum for the head to fit in. We have put red Loctite on our screws and Marine Tex epoxy on the fitting to bed it. It's important to do this quickly and do the cleanup quickly because it'll get ugly fast. I bolted our arch down and bedded that in 5200 and drilled the access holes for the wire run. That's why you see the duct tape on both the fore and aft. Our bimini fits nicely between the horizontal bars of the arch. It is a very tight space. This is looking up at our arch in a box. We have not put the dinghy davit arms on until we decide on which dinghy we are buying. This is a video of the Port Bowood Arch anchor point, which on the 320 is between the light and the edge of the inner liner ceiling. We were able to put nuts underneath the edge of the outside lip with washers and a custom plate on the inside. This is the wires that I have run inside the arch. What I do is take old throttle cables and cut them, ends off them, and use the inner stainless steel cable with a wire run. It's a video of us coming up on our stairway to the boat in the boatyard, and to show you how the arch looks from outside the boat. And it is beautiful and fits very well.
Here's a view of the hull before we fixed it. The blue tape designates deep scratches and gouges that we needed to fix. The next step in the process was to wet sand the hull with 1000 grit sandpaper. The next step in the process is to compound and wax the hull. So we got out the buffer and got started. It was a lot of work, but well worth it. Isn't she gorgeous? Looks like she just got off the showroom floor. In the description below, I will include the links to the products that I used to get her to look like this.
This is the boot stripe with all of the tape on the top and the bottom removed. Perfect match. Beautiful job.
Bottom job is complete. After a thorough sanding, we applied 2 coats of Micron 66, and I'll put a link in the description below for more information on the paint. And now your 3 bonus tips to buffing and waxing your hull to a beautiful shine. Tip number 1, gather all your supplies the day before. Have a good compound and wax. My favorites are in the description below. Have lots of rags and microfiber towels. You never can have enough rags and towels. Borrow or purchase a good buffer and buy extra wax. You do not want to run out. Tip number 2, if you have a flexible schedule and the luxury of time, try to pick a slightly cloudy day and start early in the morning to avoid the full sun. If you have to go for it, start on the side of the hull that is in the sun and work your way to the shady spot as it gets hotter during the day. And tip number 3, when waxing your boat, apply a small amount of wax to your towel or buffer and apply the wax in about a 3-foot section using a circular motion. Then use a microfiber towel to buff it to a brilliant shine. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week.